It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 575 North Main Street, Unit 102, Fall River, Massachusetts. First floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent, fully renovated. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Kitchen area here. Granite marble countertops. Nice island set up here with some stools. Pantry closet straight ahead with some shelving. Electric stove, undermount sink, plenty of cabinet space, refrigerator, brand new. Get the entrance there. Beautiful new flooring throughout, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. A closet there. To my left, bathroom, vanity mirror, shower tub. Bedroom here. Bedroom is big enough for a king set. I'd like to schedule a viewing at 575 North Main Street, Unit 102, Fall River, Massachusetts. Click that show mojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click apply now. Fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.